Automatic Electrode Programming. ZW3D WuKong 2027 features a brand new automatic electrode programming function. Electrode programming, one-click auto-generate full electrode machining process files, greatly improves single electrode programming efficiency. Batch electrode programming, batch import electrodes to generate matching machining files. Make multi-electrode programming more efficient and easier. Electrode configuration, customize high-efficiency strategy templates for production demands. Templates can be directly used in subsequent programming. Process parameter library, preset process parameters for machining demands. Parameters can be directly used in subsequent programming. Now let's open the software and demonstrate the operation. First, import the electrode model. Switch to the CAM machining module by clicking the machining command. All electrode programming functions are in the electrode module at the top right corner. Click Electrode Programming. The system automatically matches machining strategies based on the electrode model. If you need to configure a custom machining plan, you can use the user-defined solution. Adjust custom solutions with commands such as save, copy, delete, refresh, move to top, move up, move down, move to bottom, rename. After clicking OK, the software automatically calculates toolpaths and creates electrode blanks. It also generates NC programs, process sheets, and electrode schematics simultaneously. Batch electrode programming efficiently meets the demand for multi-electrode machining in actual production. Import all electrode models. One-click batch generation of corresponding machining files for each electrode. Files are sorted separately without confusion. No need to program one by one, greatly saving design time. Electrode configuration. For different electrode materials and different machining processes, you can use the electrode configuration function to create custom strategy templates and configure dedicated machining strategies. Directly call templates in subsequent programming. No repeated setup, perfectly matching actual production needs. Process parameter library. Before electrode machining, the process parameter library can pre-match appropriate machining parameters for cutting tools. Parameters are automatically applied in subsequent programming. Avoid parameter setting errors, ensure machining quality and efficiency. Custom machining configuration parameters and process parameters can be saved using the Save Template function. Saved templates can be directly used in subsequent programming.